Hi guys, it's Aisha. Today I'm gonna do a video showing you a quick and easy modification for Mustang specifically. So in my hand I have this box of axial clear side markers, and if you look at my car, I actually already have these side markers installed. But the problem is that they have burnt out. So if you look here, you'll see these brown marks on my old side markers. But here is what a new one looks like. So we're going to be replacing them today. So I'm going to show you all about that process, how it's done, and you'll be able to perform this modification yourself. Okay, so this modification requires no tools. It's a relatively easy job. We did jack the car up just to give ourselves more room and more space to film so you guys can see. Now, if you look on the new part here, you'll see a clip right here. This is kind of where the light just slides in. So it goes in like this. Slides in right here and it snaps into place here. So when I'm removing it, I'm going to go underneath the bumper and just squeeze this clip and pop it out. So now we'll show you me doing that. Okay, so here you can see me reaching onto the other side of the bumper and popping out the clip that holds the side marker in. Then I'm going to come to the outside of the bumper and wiggle the side marker out of its socket. After that, it's time to disconnect the wires. So I'm going to come in and rotate the wiring so that I can loosen it from the side marker itself. I also want to be careful not to scratch my paint here. I have pushed down on the small tab and pulled apart the connectors for the wiring so that the side marker can get power. Alright, so when taking this off, this is actually a connector from my stock side marker. So you have to pull out this little piece and you're going to take your new side marker and put it in these little slots right here. And then it is good to go. So plug everything back in. Take your plastic piece off. Tuck everything in all nice. You want to make sure this clip slides over this piece right here so it holds tightly. And then you're going to pop in this other clip right here. Alright, and that's it. Tail lights in. Side markers in. Now we're going to test it. So we're going to open up my door right here and it should light up. There we go, good as new. Okay, so now that I've showed you the whole process of changing a side marker on the other side of my car, I'm just going to do this one real quick so you don't have to watch an unnecessarily long video. So we'll come back when the side marker's all changed out. Okay, now that you have seen me successfully change my side markers, you guys should be able to do it yourselves on your Mustangs. I have a 2021 Mustang GT, but these side markers are universal. They fit 2017 to 23, I believe. I will link the products in the description below if you guys are interested. Let me know what you would like to see next. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Show me what you guys are interested in. So that'll be all for today. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.